everything. Shravanam, Kirtanam and Smaranam. Namaste everyone. Today I, Kavisha Saxena,
And I, Vidit Bharadwaj from St. Mary's School, Kashipur. And we would like to share you our Toy Tales idea, Parikrama.
Uttarakhandasya Paribhramanam. Vidit, would you like to start?
Yes. So Parikrama is a board game designed to teach students board mass, a general mathematical rule along with very basic mathematical calculation with the general knowledge of our state, Uttarakhand.
And we also wanted to harness a feeling of enthusiasm and interest among the students towards their basic subjects and cultural values. So basically, it is learning with fun.
So as you can see, these are some images of the game currently available in the market. But you can notice one thing, इनमें से किसी भी गेम में मैथमेटिक्स और जनरल नॉलेज में का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं है। तो परिक्रमा जो कि हमारा गेम है, हमने इस गेम में दोनों चीजें क्लब करी हैं, मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस भी, कल्चरल वैल्यूज भी एंड जनरल नॉलेज भी।
So, when we heard of Toy Tale Competition 2021, we decided to do a survey with different people of different age groups to inquire the glory of Uttarakhand. But we were very disappointed to know that
youth has no interest in knowing the general knowledge and the cultural values. वो जानना ही नहीं चाहते, उन्हें सीखने की कोई इच्छा ही नहीं है। तो उस दिन हमने डिसाइड किया था हम एक ऐसा गेम बनाएंगे जिससे उनके अंदर जागरूकता के साथ साथ एक इच्छा उत्पन्न हो, ताकि वो हमारा गेम के साथ खेल खेल के अपना जनरल नॉलेज भी इंप्रूव कर सके अपने स्टेट के लिए। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, कुछ इस प्रकार से हमारा गेम दिखता है। जो नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स इस पे गेम को खेल सकते हैं वो है 3 to 5। एंड फीचर्स की बात करें तो हमारे गेम में 3 circular tiles are also known as parikrama in our game. The first one is Ank Parikrama, the second one is Jigyasa Parikrama, and the third one is Gupta Parikrama.
So the theme of our game is redesigning and refeaturing Indian cultural toys. Our first parikrama is Ank Parikrama. In this, you have to struggle with the number to win this game. For starting this game, you have to get number 1 on your dice. If you get 1, you can continue. If you didn't get, then your partner can play. Suppose if I get 1, I will be continuing with my yellow coin. Now, the very first number in front of me is 4. I will roll my dice. The number I get is 1. Now, how can I accommodate the number on my dice 1 to get 4? There is one option that I could add 3, and the second option is that I can multiply 4. If I add 3, I can step 3 steps forward. 1, 2 and 3. If I multiply it by 4, I can move 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the pink blocks are the blocks that are safe. If you are on the pink blocks, your coin cannot be removed. But if you are on the blue block, your coin is on danger. So the second protocol of the game is that if you are subtracting or adding, you can only move your coin in the forward direction. But if you are multiplying any number, you have 2 choices: to move your coin backward or move your coin forward. Now take the another protocol. Suppose my coin is here on 2 and my partner's on another coin is on this background. Now I have 2 chances: to move 2 steps backward or to move 2 steps forward. It will be beneficial for me to move 2 steps forward and remove my next player's coin. So after completing this parikrama, we would like to move towards the next parikrama, Jigyasa Parikrama. In this, you have to make your dice dance on your tune. So starting with the very first question, which city you would like to visit in Uttarakhand? I will open this folder. There are 3 pictures along with their name: Almora, Nainital and Mussoorie. Now, the player will be having the chance to choose the option. Suppose I choose Nainital. There are 2 numbers on Nainital, 4 and 6. Now, the player will roll the dice. If he gets either 4 or 6, he will be moving to the next question. But if he do not get 4 or 6, he will remain here only. So there are 6 curious questions like which city you would like to visit in Uttarakhand, which adventure sports you will like in Uttarakhand, about their cultural dresses and food items. Now moving to the last round, that is Gupta Parikrama. Mystery. Whether do you know हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और होते हैं. In this you have to spin the wheel. Now my spinner is on this block. There are 5 numbers on this block. 4, 5, 6, 32 and 33. The player will be having the choice to choose one option. Suppose I choose option number 5. Now from the question here I have to answer the number 5 that is given the number 5 question. Now the person who will be visiting this parikrama for the very first time will be having 5 chances to spin. The person who will be entering this parikrama for the second time will be having 4 chances to spin, and the remaining player will be having 3 chances to spin the question and answer the round. The player who will answer the maximum question will win this round. Now,
so moving towards the component of the game. The components contains a game board which is made up of from plywood of equilateral triangle of 30 centimeters along with the 3 circular dials also known as parikrama in our game. A dice and a sheet of questionnaire along with the rules and the protocol to play the game.
now the future scope. As in our future, we will like to add some magical number series, triangular number series and fabrical number series in our first parikrama, that is Ank Parikrama, to make it more complex.
एंड हमने ये चीज डिसाइड करी है कि हम बाकी स्टेट्स और यूनियन टेरिटरीज की भी एजुकेशनल सोसाइटीज से बात करेंगे ताकि वो हमारा गेम अपनाएं और उनकी जो यूथ है, उनके जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं, उनके जो स्टेट सिटीज टाउन्स के जो स्टूडेंट हैं वो भी इस गेम का बेनिफिट ले पाएं.
And we will also like to generalize our game for our country as it is limited to Uttarakhand only yet, but we will like to generalize it for the other remaining states and union territories. Thank you. We hope you had fun. Sir, please pardon.
Am I audible?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question is about the third circle where you are rotating that arrow. Yeah. Just rotate it. Yeah. Rotate it, please. So it will come to that position only.
Sir, it
No,
is
sir.
in vertical position. We will kept it horizontal so that it could be accommodated in any direction.
So if you are rotating, okay, now it is stopping at one other position. Alright. Because I thought if it will be in horizontal position, it will always come to rest at that position of equilibrium.
No sir.
In vertical, it will be in equilibrium at that point only. Alright. Okay. Good. Good. So another thing that comes to my mind is related to the portability of this game. As you said, in some
Noted.
societies you can keep this, but suppose someone wants to have at home. In that case, the size I think is one limitation.
यस सर. नो सर. सर एक्चुअली जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, ये जो ट्राइंगल है हमारा बीच में, मैं आपको पीछे से दिखा देता हूँ. ये इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है जिसकी साइड्स 30 सेंटीमीटर है एंड ये जो हमारे सर्कल्स हैं ये 20 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस के हैं. तो हम इसको इस हिसाब से बनाया है कि हम अगर मतलब इस हिसाब से डिजाइन करेंगे कि अगर हम चाहें तो इन तीनों सर्कल्स को निकाल के एक ऐसे करके इनके ऊपर करके एक छोटे से बॉक्स में जो कि शायद 40 सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर बॉक्स होगा उसमें हम इसे पैक
We
कर
will
सकते हैं.
like to dismantle it. Dismantle these dials in center of this triangle for the packaging.
Yeah, for packaging, you have to think so that when you sell it in the market, package should look more compact.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
People can go home, assemble it, play, and then disassemble it and put it in the box again.
यस सर.
Yes.
द मैक्सिमम
Space is a very rare commodity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. That's all from my side. Professor Kumkum, you can please proceed.
Right. So thank you so much, sir. First of all, many congratulations to the presenter team. I have two small questions. One is, you might have tried it multiple times. At how much, on an average, how much time it will take to complete the complete circle, playing all three rounds, basically.
Ma'am, 20 to 25 minutes for the three circles.
For the whole parikrama, it took 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay. So there are few games. Please go ahead. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. You were saying something.
No, ma'am. For all the three parikramas, the maximum number of times will be taken will be from 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, and the way you have explained it to us, how you are going to explain it to a naive person like somebody else, that how the game should be played? Will you be
Ma'am.
sharing some video, or will you append some video or a video link or an instruction sheet?
Ma'am, along with the video, we will also going to give the instruction sheet in which not only the instruction sheet, also the rules and the protocols also to play this game.
These sheets are having all the protocols and how to play the game, and we will also like to introduce the online videos so that people may have easy steps to play this game.
Okay, fine, that's all from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi team, many congratulations.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so can you please tell me for what age group this game has been designed?
Ma'am, from ma'am,
10 to
starting
7.
from the 10 and it can go to 20 or 25 even.
But in future, we would like to add a magical number series that is for the chemistry. Then above 20 and 25 people could also play it. Like Fibonacci number series are not so easy. So in future scope, our people who are above 25 can also play it, who are having the knowledge of Fibonacci number series, magical number series and triangular number series. But till now, it is for 10 to 17 years old people.
मैम वी हैव डिजाइंड इट इन द फ्यूचर इन आवर फ्यूचर स्कोप कि हम इसको चेंजेबल बना सकते हैं एज ग्रुप के हिसाब से। जैसे इस समय जो गेम है वो 10 to 17 के लिए, पर अगर कोई जैसे इफ मेरे कोई बड़े भैया जो 27 के हैं, अगर उनके लिए खेलना चाहे तो हम उनके हिसाब से भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं। जैसे उस टाइम पे मे बी हम उनमें कुछ बिजनेस से रिलेटेड ऐड कर सकते हैं, कुछ स्टॉक मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो हम कुछ ऐसा करेंगे कि हम इस चीज को हटा सकें क्योंकि चेंजेबल है एंड एक प्लास्टिक के लिड जैसे हम इस पे लगा सकते हैं ताकि उनके लिए वो चीज कस्टमाइज हो जाए बिना इसे चेंज करे।
अच्छा, तो आप इसको मतलब इनके कई वर्जन्स आप अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिमांड आप रिलीज करेंगे?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हम इसकी स्लाइड्स चेंज कर पाए कि this one is for maths. If any person who is interested in chemistry and chemistry magical numbers can also be introduced here. This slide can be removable according to the interest of the subjects. But the one thing that is common to all is the Gupta Parikrama because it is giving the knowledge of our state, Devbhumi, Uttarakhand.
अच्छा, और is it mandatory to play all the three circles?
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want
Yes,
to win
ma'am.
the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Because Parikrama is actually what? Shravanam, Kirtanam and Smaranam. These three taglines are used for the Parikrama. That is why it is compulsory to play all the three Parikramas.
And as we change the thread, for example, जैसे यहाँ पे अगर 4 जने खेल रहे हैं तो इस राउंड में जो 3 जने सबसे पहले पहुंचेंगे तो जो फोर्थ वाला होगा वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा पहले ही राउंड में। पर जब जो सेकंड वाला जो राउंड है जो हमारा गुप्त परिक्रमा, जब हम इससे जिज्ञासा परिक्रमा से जब हम इस वाली परिक्रमा गुप्त परिक्रमा में पहुंचेंगे तो जो जैसे पहला जो नंबर पहुंचेगा उसके पास 5 चांसेस होंगे, जो दूसरा पहुंचेगा उसके पास 4 होंगे, जो उसके बाद जितने भी प्लेयर्स पहुंचेंगे उनके पास 3 चांसेस होंगे। तो जैसे जैसे सर्कल्स आगे बढ़ेंगे, जैसे जैसे नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे बढ़ेंगे, डिफिकल्टी और ज्यादा हाई हो रही है।
ठीक है, तो मिनिमम प्लेयर्स इसमें इसका मतलब 3 चाहिए।
Yes, ma'am. 3. And suppose if the players are not 3, they are not having maximum number of players, the one who will be eliminated in the first round can be the host of the third round, so that the player who is being eliminated should not get disappointed.
अच्छा, ओके।
Yes.
Got it. Great, great. Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Okay, all the best.
Okay, team. You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.